Triumph motorcycles are expanding their hugely successful small-capacity single-cylinder range with the introduction of the new Thruxton 400, a cafe racer that marks the return of one of the brand's most iconic names. The Thruxton badge had been absent since the discontinuation of the 1200cc twin at the end of 2024, and its revival in 400cc form brings classic cafe racer styling to Triumph's modern TR series platform. At the heart of the Thruxton 400 is a lightly revised version of Triumph's 398cc single-cylinder TR series engine, shared with the Speed 400 but tuned for a more sporting character. Internal updates include a new camshaft profile and a fresh engine map, along with a higher rev limit to deliver improved top-end performance. The changes result in a claimed 5% increase in peak power, producing 41.4 brake horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 37.5 Nm of torque at 7,500 RPM. Triumph also states that 80% of peak torque is available from just 3,000 RPM, ensuring strong mid-range usability. The engine meets the latest Euro 5 Plus emission standards and is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and ride-by-wire throttle, enabling switchable traction control and ABS at both ends. The Thruxton 400 is designed to be the most focused and sporty model in the 400 family, with a riding position inspired by traditional cafe racers. Clip-on handlebars sit above the top yoke and are 40mm narrower and 246mm lower than those on the Speed 400. The foot pegs are positioned 86mm further back and 27mm higher, placing the rider in a more aggressive stance behind the new front screen. A compact LCD dash with a USB-C charging port sits behind the screen, while a bikini-style half-fairing and centrally mounted round LED headlight complete the classic look. Suspension is handled by 43mm upside-down front forks, offering 135mm of travel, while the rear features a preload adjustable monoshock with 130mm of movement. Despite its sportier intentions, the bike remains accessible, with a seat height of 795mm. The 17-inch wheels are fitted with Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires, providing modern levels of grip, and the bike is built around a tubular steel frame with a bolt-on rear subframe. Braking is taken care of by a single 300mm front disc paired with a 4-piston radial caliper and a 230mm rear disc with single-piston floating caliper, delivering strong stopping power for the lightweight package. With a claimed wet weight of 176 kilograms and a 13-liter fuel tank, the Triumph Thruxton 400 blends classic cafe racer style with contemporary performance and technology, offering a focused yet approachable entry point into the brand's sporting heritage.